Logic says space is a vacuum of silence, but NASA just captured the sound of a black hole, and it's terrifying. This isn't a movie, it's a real recording from the Perseus galaxy cluster. Most people think space is quiet, but these pressure waves were translated into a sound humans can actually hear. It sounds like a deep, haunting moan from the abyss. Listen closely. Would you travel to space after hearing this? Subscribe to QuickLogic for more cosmic mysteries.